Here is a simple recipe for golden weight loss tea with ginger, lemon, and cinnamon. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger peeled and sliced, 1/2 lemon sliced, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Instructions: boil the water in a saucepan. Add sliced ginger and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Add lemon slices and turmeric powder. Let it simmer for another minute. Add cinnamon powder. Strain the tea into a cup. Drink hot or iced. Optional. Add honey or stevia for sweetness if desired. Tips: drink 2 to 3 times a day before meals for optimal weight loss results. Combine with healthy diet and exercise. Benefits and tips for ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and turmeric golden weight loss tea. Benefits: boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Reduces inflammation and improves overall health. Soothes digestive issues and regulates blood sugar. Supports immune function. Rich in antioxidants. Tips: use fresh ginger, lemon, and sprinkle cinnamon powder. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or 1-inch piece. Steep in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and drink hot or iced. Add honey or stevia for sweetness if desired. Drink 2 to 3 times a day before meals. Combine with healthy diet and exercise for optimal weight loss. Precautions: consult a doctor if pregnant, breastfeeding, or have health conditions. Turmeric may interact with blood thinners. Ginger may cause stomach upset in large quantities. Variations: add green tea or black tea for extra antioxidants. Substitute lemon with lime or orange. Use cinnamon sticks instead of powder.